Okay, so I need to graph this. And it looks like I need to look at my reference sheet. There's a subtraction sign here. And if you notice, none of these have subtraction signs except for my limosones. And I need to look at A and B. And A looks like it's smaller than B, so it's going to be a loop limosone. So on these ones, I like to check my theta equals 0, pi halves, pi, and 3 pi halves. This will give me my orientation. It'll give me also the loop and all sorts of stuff. So if I check theta equals 0, well, cosine of 0 is 1. So you get 1 minus 5 times 1. So that's going to be 1 minus 5, which is negative 4. So here at 0, it's going to be negative 4, which means I got to go backwards 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that point's going to be right there. Then I'm going to check pi halves. The cosine of pi halves is 0. So this goes away, and you're just left with 1. So that's going to be here. Pi, that's going to be 0. Nope, negative 1. Sorry, negative 1. So cosine of pi is negative 1, so that becomes 5. So this gets 1 plus 5, which ends up being 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's in the positive direction, so it's going to go in the same direction as pi. And then 3 pi halves, that's 0, so that's going to give you 1 again. So this gives you the loop. The loop's going to go way out here. It's going to go way far out here, so it's going to look something like this. Try and draw this, but you got to realize I'm on my computer, so this is going to be a little difficult, but I'm going to try it anyway. So we're going to start here. I'm going to loop it out to my loop, and it's going to look something like this. So that's the best I can do. Not very pretty. So I'm going to check a couple things. Cosine, I know is going to be this direction. Sine will be this direction. The negative makes it go this way instead of this way. The loop should be this minus this, which should be 4. And then the big loop should be this plus this, which is 6. And then I'm also going to show you how to check on your calculator. If you notice, I'm in function mode, so I need to change my mode to be polar. So I'm going to go over to polar. And then I'm going to graph, well, y equals, and then go 1 minus 5 cosine theta. If you notice, your variable button becomes theta. So I'm going to graph it. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a little thicker than what I did, but it's good enough. So there you have it.